Hola amigos, today we're making sopa de letras, and I know some of you are thinking, Nancy, it's summer, why are we making soup? Because I don't know what it is, but Mexican moms think that the hotter it gets outside, the more soup belongs on our tables. It's just how it works. Soup in July? Absolutely. Soup in August? Of course. It's practically a law. This soup, no matter the weather, was a staple in my house growing up, and my mom would make a big pot and we'd sit around our kitchen table with warm corn tortillas on the side, each of us adding our own toppings, queso fresco and a drizzle of crema and pickled jalapeños for me. Of course, also trying to spell my name with the little pasta letters. For me, it's pure nostalgia in a bowl. So whether you grew up eating this or making it for the first time, I promise you're going to love it. It's easy to make, budget friendly, kid approved, ready in about 30 minutes, and made with fresh ingredients the way Mexican moms have always made it. Let me show you how. Here's everything you need. Fresh tomatoes, white onion, garlic, your alphabet pasta. I used the La Moderna brand, vegetable broth, olive oil, and salt. Simple pantry ingredients and nothing fancy. First, we're going to blend our fresh tomatoes with garlic, onion, salt, and a splash of water until smooth. This is your base, and this is what makes this soup taste like the real thing. Fresh tomatoes just taste so much better than a can of sauce. Now this step right here is important, so don't skip it. We're going to toast our dry pasta in a little bit of olive oil over medium heat, stirring constantly until it turns golden brown. You're going to smell it, you're going to see it change color, and this is what gives this soup that slightly toasted, nutty flavor that it tastes so good. But watch it closely though, because alphabet pasta is tiny and it goes from golden to burnt very fast. Once the pasta is golden, carefully pour in your blended tomato sauce, and it's going to sizzle, and that's normal. Be careful. Stir it well and let it cook for a few minutes until it thickens and darkens a little bit. Now pour in the vegetable broth. Add a sprig of fresh cilantro, then reduce the heat and let it simmer covered for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the pasta is soft and cooked through. And just like that, your sopa de letras is ready. Now comes the fun part, the toppings. In my house, we always had crumbled queso fresco, a spoonful of Mexican crema, pickled jalapeños, and always a squeeze of fresh lime juice over the top. Lime juice over sopita just takes it to another level. And you can serve it with warm corn tortillas on the side or quesadillas if you want something a little bit heartier. My mom would also sometimes add cooked chickpeas or garbanzos to the soup just for a little extra protein. So you could also do that. And that's it. If you want to make the meal extra special, add a cold glass of mango agua fresca on the side, which is the perfect contrast to the warm broth. If you make this recipe, please leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you, and the full recipe with the exact measurements is in the description, and you can also find the free printable version on my website. The link is also below. Gracias. Have a beautiful day, amigos, and buen provecho.